Can you wave? Had a wave, say bye. Oh, the bin fell over. That's all right, we can go pick it up. Do you guys want to say hi to Willem?
9:05 a.m.